Michel, ちょっと話してくれる?
Fala, rapaziada, estamos aqui na Dorado Hills, Brasília Jiu Jitsu, fazendo mais um seminário pra rapaziada aí. Galera focada 100%, pessoal muito empenhado. E é isso aí.
It's an exciting day today, Saturday, August 12th in Dorado Hills. We got Michel, Miyashita from Sao Paulo, Brazil, Bushido, B9, teaching a great seminar. Right now they're going over a bunch of attacks using the lapel, which is a pretty high level, high technique move. But you know, we started with the basics today, and that's kind of set the tone for the seminar. Was the importance of starting with the basics and then using the basics to have a high detailed, high technical skill set of attacks. All levels from white belts, blue, purple, brown, and black belts. It's turning into a great seminar.